Hello everyone, I Gauri welcome back all of you in my today's new video. Friends, English is a global language and we are using this for communication. If I want to share my information, if I want to share my thoughts with all of you, I am using a language. So it's not that mother tongue, global language and any other language. To be perfect in any language, we have to make practice and only practice. We are very confident and we are very comfortable in our mother tongue. Why? Because from our childhood we are using our mother tongue. Like me, Marathi is my mother tongue and I am using from so many years Marathi language. So I am very comfortable in that language and I am very confident in that language. But same is not applicable for English. I am not too much comfortable for English language and I am not too much fluent in English language. Then what should I do? I should have to make more and more practice for English. Then only I will be able to be perfect in English and confident in English. So initially how I start to learn English? Initially I have to concentrate on simple sentences and short sentences only. But doing and to be comfortable and to be fluent in English language, I have to be given a specific time every day for learning this language. Every day I have to spend minimum half an hour for this language. And in half an hour what I will do? I have to listen English, I have to speak English, I have to write English and I have to read English. That is only 4 pillars for learning any language and for doing any study in any language. We have learned English in school like as a subject. We haven't learned it as a language. And that's why we haven't practiced more and that's why we are not to be confident and not fluent in English. But now we have to accept it as a language. We don't have to focus as a subject because now we have to pass our message, we have to communicate with each other and that's why we have to make more and more practice of speaking. So friends, always try to spend half an hour every day for doing learning English activity, and it should be do every day, not like that today I will do 2 hours practice, tomorrow, day after tomorrow I will not going to do any practice. No, it's not like that. You have to be very specific about this activity. Every day at least half an hour minimum. Whatever time you will give more, it's no problem, it will be very good for you also. But at least try to minimum give half an hour for learning English activity. Whatever amount, it's not like amount, whatever time you will give for learning this activity, that much easier for you to learn English. And every day you have to make more and more comfortable for English also, because you just start from the short sentences and simple sentences. Don't directly get confusion about speaking English is a very big deal and it's very difficult and all. No, it's not too much difficult, it's very easy process, it's very simple process. You just try from very small steps. Don't jump into big step and don't jump into complicated and big sentences. Just start from simple sentences. So what happened, your confidence will also get increased and you also feel much comfortable, and after that also feel more comfortable in that language. So it's like that only. The journey starts from simple and then you just try to accept a little big sentences and then after big sentences and complicated sentences, like this only. So friends, from today onwards try to give at least half an hour for your English activity, for your daily learning English process, and also try to speak more. Whatever and however you able to speak, you just try to speak it out. So it will be very comfortable to you also, and it will be very give you very confidence for learning English activity also. So friends, I hope this small information you like it and you will accept it into your life, and you will be become a fluent English speaker while doing these things. And thank you so much. We will meet you in the next video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.